Welcome to Product Critique, where we review the best products for your home and lifestyle. Today, we are excited to share with you what we believe is the best duster set available, the Swiffer Duster Heavy Duty 3-Feet Extendable Handle Starter Kit with 3 refills. If you're tired of dusting in hard-to-reach spots and want a more effective way to trap and lock dust, this is the product for you. The Swiffer Duster Starter Kit comes with an extendable 3-foot handle and 3 dusters. This set is not only compact and easy to store, but it's also designed to make dusting much easier and more effective. The 3-foot handle helps you clean high areas like ceiling fans, bookcases, and vents without having to use a ladder or risk your safety. It's lightweight and easily extends, so you can adjust the length to suit your cleaning needs. What sets this duster apart from others is the unique 360 degrees design. With thousands of fluffy fibers, the Swiffer Duster grabs and locks dust from every direction. Whether it's dust, pet dander, or even stubborn city dust, these fibers are specially coated to trap and lock all the debris in place. It's proven to capture up to 3 times more dust than a traditional feather duster, which means a cleaner environment and better air quality. Not only does it work well on your surfaces, but this product also helps reduce allergens like dust mites, pet dander, and more. If you have allergies, this is a game changer. Swiffer's heavy-duty fibers trap up to 95% of common allergens, helping you breathe easier and maintain a cleaner home. The kit includes 3 refills, so you have everything you need for multiple cleanings. The dusters are easy to attach and remove, and once you've finished using them, you simply dispose of them. This means no more washing or dealing with dirty cloths. What makes the Swiffer Duster even more practical is its ability to tackle hard-to-reach areas. From light fixtures to blinds, the extendable handle makes it easy to clean every nook and cranny. Whether you live in a small apartment or a larger home, this duster is perfect for all spaces. It's especially handy in apartments and dorm rooms where storage space is limited, and you want something that's easy to grab when needed. The Swiffer Duster Heavy Duty Kit is designed to make your life easier. It's a high-quality cleaning tool that will leave your home looking spotless and fresh. Say goodbye to the frustration of dusting with traditional feather dusters and get ready to experience the best cleaning tool available. If you're looking for efficiency, convenience, and a cleaner home, the Swiffer Duster Starter Kit is the perfect choice. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Product Critique for more amazing product reviews.